Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best heat shield is probably one of the most important safety features for your wood-burning stove. These shields are designed to protect your walls and surrounding areas from the intense heat generated by the stove, reducing the risk of fire and ensuring a safer environment for your home. In this video, we'll explore the top heat shields available. Number 5. FLASLD Fireproof Fireplace Mat. This fireplace mat is made of glass fiber with silicone coating, which can withstand temperatures up to 1832 degrees Fahrenheit. It effectively protects your floor and deck from high-temperature damage. This feature ensures safety and durability. Designed to be super thin at only 1 mm, this mat effectively prevents charcoal splash. It's perfect for protecting your floor. However, if you're looking for a decorative mat, consider a thicker option. The mat features non-slip silicone cloth on both sides. This design keeps it securely in place on your floor, preventing any unwanted movement. This provides added safety and stability. Cleaning is simple, thanks to the waterproof silicone coating. You only need soap and a water pipe to rinse it clean. This makes maintenance quick and hassle-free. This fire pit pad is suitable for various scenarios, including outdoor camping, home fire prevention, and use with grills, fireplaces, and fire pits. Its excellent fire resistance and waterproof performance make it a versatile choice. What we like. This mat can withstand extreme heat, protecting your floors from sparks and embers. It's also designed with a non-slip surface for added safety. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-clean solution for your fireplace, this is a great option. What people say. Works good to keep the stray sparks from burning the floor. It is well made, looks good, smells good, and is fireproof. Does its job well, plain and simple. Number 4. A-Team 13575 Heat Shield Barrier. This heat shield is designed to withstand extreme temperatures. It can handle heat up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your components are well protected. Made with aluminized fiberglass, this heat shield is both flexible and durable. The reflective surface effectively blocks radiant heat, offering superior protection. Applying this heat shield is a breeze, thanks to its adhesive backing. You can easily apply it to various surfaces for a professional finish. This heat shield is versatile and can be used in multiple areas. Whether it's for your car or home, it provides reliable heat prevention for various components. The aluminized design reflects up to 90% of radiant heat. This helps to keep your components cool and protected from heat damage. The package includes one A-Team Performance 13575 adhesive-backed aluminized fiberglass heat shield barrier. It's ready to install and protect your valuable components. What we like. This heat shield is designed to withstand incredibly high temperatures, making it perfect for various applications. The adhesive backing makes it easy to apply to almost any surface. If you need a versatile and effective heat barrier for your vehicle or home, this is the one for you. What people say. The material is easy to handle and good adhesion and does the job. I used it to isolate a wall from a heater. This product looks and works great. I am very happy with it. It has totally eliminated the problem of the RV walls getting hot. Product came in 2 rolls, very easy to peel and apply to surface. I used it for a plywood base for our Blackstone grill in our outdoor trailer storage, and the material has done a great job reflecting heat off the base. Number 3. Under Grill Mat, 40 by 40 inch. This mat has a dual-side silicone coating for superior heat resistance. It prevents embers and grease from damaging your surfaces. The reflective strip also enhances visibility at night. Measuring 40 inches by 40 inches, this mat provides ample protection for your deck or patio. It's designed to accommodate various grill and fire pit sizes, perfect for family gatherings. Equipped with 4 reflective strips, this mat increases visibility in the dark. This feature enhances safety, especially during nighttime barbecues, making it a great choice for evening use. The mat includes stainless steel grommets for secure ground placement. It also comes with a travel bag for easy storage and transport. Remember to maintain a safe distance between the heat source and the mat. The fire-resistant silicone surface is easy to clean and food safe. It's designed for repeated use, offering excellent resistance to wear, tears, oil, and water, ensuring long-lasting performance. What we like. This mat offers a larger coverage area, ensuring maximum protection for your deck or patio. It also features reflective strips for enhanced visibility at night. If you enjoy nighttime barbecues and prioritize safety, this mat is an excellent choice. What people say. Product lived up to its claimed features when I used it today. Water and oil proof and easy to clean. Happy with the mat. This under grill mat works as advertised. I have a square fire grill on top of a composite deck. The deck stays protected with this underneath. We are using this under our tabletop blackstone griddle. It protects the table and we feel confident in using it as it keeps our table safe. Number 2. Fireproof Felt Welding Blanket 39 by 39 inches. This fireproof blanket is designed to protect against fire, flames, sparks, and intense heat. It can withstand temperatures up to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a reliable safety measure. Made from fireproof material, this blanket is 0.18 inches thick, soft, and lightweight. It's designed to protect you from burns and irritation. This blanket is easy to cut and can be used for welding, soldering, and auto body repair. It's perfect for various applications where fire protection is needed. Use it as an insulating cover for smokers and grills, or as a floor protector for wood stoves and fire pits. It's a flexible solution for many needs. Drape it over equipment or use it in welding areas. You can place it on the ground, a table, or tack it to a wall. It offers versatile protection. What we like. This blanket is made from fireproof material, providing reliable protection against flames and sparks. It's also soft, lightweight, and easy to cut to fit your needs. If you need a versatile and easy-to-use heat shield for welding or your wood stove, consider this. What people say. These work incredibly well. I use them on outdoor furniture to protect my cushions from ashes from cigars. These mats, or aprons as the description calls them, won't burn and capture ashes. This thing works perfectly for my needs. It's a fairly large blanket, so I leave it folded up, in half and then half again, so it's 4 layers thick. I tested the temperature this last time, so I could include some details. Finished using the burner, had been on med-high for at least 20+ minutes, turned it off, took the pan off and then placed the welding blanket on the stove top. After taking care of the pan, I measured the temps of the stove. The burner measured at 397 degrees but on top of the blanket measured just 88 degrees. Number 1. Solo Stove Bonfire Ultimate Bundle 2.0. This bundle is perfect for a cozy night with family and friends. It includes everything you need for a great time around the fire. It comes with all the accessories you can imagine. The included tools help you start and maintain the fire. You can roast marshmallows and hot dogs with the durable sticks. More accessories complete the experience. The fire pit uses logs or woody debris as fuel. Air intake holes pull air in, and the double wall construction heats the air. This creates a secondary combustion, resulting in a beautiful flame. The stand allows you to use it on heat-sensitive surfaces. The shield prevents sparks from escaping. The handle makes it easy to move the fire pit with one hand. Use the lid for temporary protection or as a stylish table. The waterproof shelter protects it from rain and snow. This saves you the effort of indoor storage. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it's lightweight and won't be damaged by the heat. The removable ash pan catches all the ash. Cleaning is easy, just remove the base plate and empty the pan. What we like. This bundle includes everything you need for a complete fire pit experience. The signature airflow design ensures efficient burning and minimal smoke. If you want a premium, all-inclusive fire pit setup for your outdoor gatherings, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It is truly designed for optimal airflow for optimal burn. Heat and flames are directed in a contained, controlled manner by design. Bonfire size pit is just right, not too small and not so big that it's a two-person to move job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.